What do kinship charts mean in anthropology? Imagine trying to understand how a family is connected in a way that everyone can see and interpret easily. That's where kinship charts come into play. They are visual tools used by anthropologists to map out relationships within a family or social group. These diagrams help us see who is related to whom by blood, marriage, or other social bonds. They are not just simple family trees, but detailed representations of social organization. At the center of a kinship chart is a person called ego. Think of ego as the starting point or the reference person. From ego, lines extend to show relationships with parents, siblings, children, and other relatives. These lines help illustrate the network of kin known as ego's kindred. The symbols used are straightforward. Circles usually stand for females, triangles for males, and squares for individuals who may identify as neither or both sexes. Different types of relationships are shown with different lines. A single line indicates blood relations like parent to child or siblings. These are called consanguineal ties and are considered permanent. Double lines are used for relationships through marriage or alliances, known as affinal ties. These can be broken if a marriage ends. Sometimes, dashed or hashed lines are used to show non-biological relationships like adoption or cohabitation. Kinship charts are more than just family trees. They reveal how different societies define family, who inherits property, and what social roles are expected. They help anthropologists understand how descent is traced, whether through the mother's or father's line, and what relationships hold social importance. Using these charts, anthropologists can identify patterns of where people live, who marries whom, and what obligations or rights are tied to kinship. They also allow comparisons between different cultures without needing to use names, which keeps the focus on relationships rather than individual identities. During fieldwork, kinship charts are essential because they quickly capture complex family and social ties. They help researchers understand how kinship influences social, economic, and political life in different communities. In essence, kinship charts in anthropology are symbolic diagrams that visually representing the meaningful relationships between people. They give us a clear picture of how societies organize themselves through family and social bonds, making them a vital tool for understanding human social life.